Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. If you like my video you're watching today, please push the like and share button below. And if you are watching on YouTube and would like to catch more of my videos, please just push the subscribe button below. And also, if you would like to check out my website, go to chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. Once you're there, you can shop or join and become a designer like me. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can join and become a hobbyist and enjoy the 40% discount. Awesome. Or you can start your very own business. So today I'm working with the transfer. Hello, I think it's Good Morning Gorgeous. And I'm going to put them on wood. Now, all our transfers come with care instructions on the back. Peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. They have cutting lines, which I am cutting right now, and after I get through cutting them apart, I'm going to take the marker and label the backs. You want to make sure the sticky side of the transfer goes to the glossy side of the backing. Here I am just placing these on my wood, and Good Morning Gorgeous. I like the way the two different kind of fonts are in this transfer. And now Hello Handsome. This is pressure sensitive, so you do want to take your hands to smooth out any bubbles that may be in there, because then the chalk can seep through and bleed past your transfer. Now on these boards, I did wax these. I like to do that on wood because it just gives a better results with the chalking. I waxed it with Mim Wax at just the natural color. Now here we go. I am just applying the chalk, taking the squeegee and pushing it in through the silk screen netting to make sure it gets a good imprint. Take off the excess and then peel away. This will go into water and I'll clean front and back with Lysol wipes. Now who wouldn't want to wake up to that in the morning? And just think what a great gift idea that would be for a wedding. And you can also use that same transfer with our inks and our pillowcases to make a really nice gift for newlyweds. That's it. Thanks for coming by.